Having access to a wide variety of textures is essential for every working designer. Whether you use them for backgrounds, overlays, or special effects, textures are a great resource to have in your toolkit. Here's our countdown for the 10 best texture effects for 2020. All items featured are available on Envato Elements, a subscription-based library that gives you access to millions of creative assets to license for your designs. Streamline and enhance your creative projects with graphic templates, Photoshop actions, add-ons, and more. Click the link in the description to try it out today. So, what are the best texture effects for 2020? Let's find out. Number 10. 12 Texture Spray Photoshop Brushes by MEF. Experiment with spray paint shapes and textures with this pack of textured Photoshop brushes. Created with real paint on paper and then scanned in, the effect is authentic and would be a great addition to posters, flyers, websites, or background layers to add even more depth to your designs. Number 9. 30 Seamless Paper Textures by Sparklestock. Create background textures for scrapbooking, web design, graphic projects, and much more with this pack of 30 seamless paper effects, including recycled paper, washi, and cardboard. Instantly improve your artwork by overlaying one of these textures. Number 8. Subtle Craft Textures and Brushes by Gorilla Craft. This is a huge pack of textures and brushes, 50 of each. These subtle textures are great for achieving a trendy, vintage look for your designs. The textures come as vectors in EPS format, so you can use them in Photoshop and Illustrator. Number 7. Light Print Texture Illustrator Brushes by J.R. Child. A pack of stunning, carefully captured textures from genuine printed ink. Find joy in the imperfections of print noise, from light texture to full coverage. 42 brushes are included in the download file, with textures like random marks, scuffs, and halftones. Number 6. 24 Distressed Texture Brushes by Graphic Monkey. This set of texture brushes for Photoshop has been carefully handcrafted for high-quality results. There are 24 large format 300 DPI brushes designed to give your digital art a distressed feel. Use it on titles and photos to obtain unique results. If you're finding this countdown useful, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Don't forget to click the notifications icon and stay up to date with our latest content. Number 5. Vector Grunge Textures by Digital Infusion. Add grunge and dirt to your designs with these authentic textures taken from photographs of real surfaces. There are 29 texture effects included in both vector and PNG formats, both of which have transparent backgrounds for easy use. If you're looking to achieve an urban look, this file has got you covered. Number 4. Vintage Grit Textures by Ghostly Pixels. From subtle grit to heavier textures, this pack has everything you need to quickly add lots of detail to your designs. There are 10 options to choose from, each sized to 27 megapixels. The file includes a PDF preview with the download, so that you can see the effects easily without loading up each image. Number 3. 100 Snow Overlays by MEF. Combine or filter this bumper pack of 100 snow textures to create new designs every time. Duplicate layers to make snow more visible, or add blur and sharpen effects to play with the depth of field. The snow effects are high-resolution JPEG images, so you can just pop them over your image and set your blending mode to screen to see instant results. Number 2. Old Iron Textures x10, Volume 2 by Smart Designs EU. Add interest to your designs with this set of 10 iron textures. These come as JPEG files, so you can use them across any software, including Photoshop and Illustrator. The grunge look is in. Add these to your logos or poster designs to achieve a rough industrial effect. Number 1. Polygon Geometric Collection by Code to Form. Use geometric shapes to create new and interesting background textures with the Polygon Geometric Collection. Each texture is in vector form, so you can scale them as needed without any loss of quality. Perfect for tech-related creations, social data science, or cloud computing designs. Hope you enjoyed our countdown of the 10 best texture effects. Which item was your favorite? Leave us a comment with your answer and how you might use it on your next project. Please like and subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop. Hang around to watch more content from Envato by clicking the thumbnail on the right of your screen now.